I should let you take the whole thing. I said, I'll give you my money back.
Alright, welcome back. Today we're here in Lomé Togo, and we're going to show you our experience when dealing with a little bit of car trouble. As you ride around cities like Lome and Africa in general, you experience some good roads, some not so good roads, and some roads that are frankly pretty bad. So due to the variety of the conditions, you need to know how to handle situations if they pop up. In today's video, you're going to see exactly how we handle one of those situations. First thing you'll notice about getting repairs here in Africa is there's not a lot of mechanic shops like we have in the West. Instead, you have a lot of groups of young men without a lot of high-tech equipment or training that are ready to work hard and find innovative ways to fix problems. We got a low tire, so we about to pump up. We're gonna show you what's up with it. So yeah, the thing is, you can, here on the side of the road, you can get work done. You get road work done on your tires off to the side of the road, so it's pretty convenient. Let's take a look at the old machinery. He's looking at something on the tire. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to get a patch on the tire because of the leak. So it's a slow leak, but what we want to do is at least plug it. It's probably gonna be a plug. So he's doing a plug, plugging it. Okay. Yeah. Since it's tubeless, just punch it in. All right, so let's go see the gymnastics he's doing. So it's getting up under there. Like I mentioned before, these young men here don't have the best equipment, and I'm sure their training is non-formal and pretty basic. But what they do have is the willingness to learn new things, work hard, and get things done. And from what I could tell, it seems that they enjoy and take pride in their work. And with Africa being the fastest growing continent and population set to double by 2050, this is encouraging to see. All right, so we thought we was just gonna get away with putting in some air. But when he looked at some other tires, the stem of one of the tires is actually broken. So we gotta do a little bit more work. So we're pulling in now, getting the car parked, I guess, in their parking spot. And then they're gonna work on that tire, the stem of the tire. But we're gonna be here longer than we expected to be here. So yeah, this being a mechanic out here is not easy, to say the least. You know, it's warm out here, you don't have the best of tools, but they're making it work however they can make it work. So you got the tools there. He's gonna cut it open. It's got the thing already set up. I'm kind of familiar with how this works, but you know, it's a plug, so just put it on the thing, punch it in. I act like I know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I've seen it done before. And by here, you can always get some fruits too. Vegetables. That's okra. Et c'est quoi ça? Ça s'appelle quoi? Haricot vert. Ah, piment. Ah, okay. So that's peppers right there. What's this? Is this a type of tomato? Eggplant. Okay. C'est bon?
Hey.
Let me see that. Let me see. Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah, so you can get your vegetables and all that right here on the roadside while you're getting your car worked on. All right, so he's gonna have to do a full jack up of the tire and everything. Yep.
Technique, you know, now garage you bone flat all over, you tell him the deal. Buy the money. I ain't go say that you want to pop up.
Oh, let me say what?
That to support this. So yeah.
If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to make sure you get notified when I release a new video.
That's the bushing inside. Okay? Yes. Bushing says normally you have to take it to the press to press it out. Right. And put a new one to press it back in.
Right.
So that's the easy way. So when they burn the bushing, it's gonna burn it. It's easy to take the bushing out, and from there they'll clean interior and put the new bushing back. So I'm gonna show you the new bushing how it looks.
Okay, you got a new bushing?
Yeah, they got a new bushing over there. Cool. You can get closer. The bushing.
Right there?
Yeah, right there. Right. Is the original one.
Okay.
That with the metal. Now they took that part, they put a bushing and put another piece of metal like a cone inside.
Right.
It's hard.
Oh, damn. I was wondering why you was bouncing her. I was wondering.
Don't you see?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
No, that's what.
All right, let me see. That's a little. This shit is hot. C'est chaud? Oui. All right. Yeah, so you get to see a little bit of how a mechanic shop works here inside the street. Young guys out here, you know, working hard, doing what they do. We got him over here. He's almost completely done with this tire situation.
It's 19 years old.
19. I thought he was, yeah.
For 2 years now.
2 years. Okay.
He probably started learning at the age of 12.
Right. Yeah. So, young guys get started early, man.
He said that I should let you take the whole thing. I said, I'll give you my body back. Let me get your 5,000. I'm not gonna give you 500. But since I want to solve him, I will jump on that. The name Yamit Babylon, we got truck Gabe, you see me when you Ghana. Okay, we're going on to go. Yeah. All right.
Merci. Bon.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming soon.